Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2011 Ford F-150 Lariat Super Crew 4-wheel drive, stock number B7489XA. 98,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. White platinum metallic in color. This F-150 seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back, flips up for additional cargo space, rear defrost for excellent visibility, and power sliding window for extra ventilation. 5.5-foot box, locking tailgate, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Lariat has keyless entry with remote start, along with touchpad entry. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, memory settings for 2 drivers. Power adjustable pedal, puts you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, heated as well as cooled front seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year, automatic transmission, manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead backup camera in the mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this F-150 has a 5-liter V8, 360 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles to the gallon and a city average of 19 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this F-150, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.